We just all left her.
So lucky that's to be.
Or he missing out the line?
That's what she needs to be. Never gets old because if she's my future wife.
Hi, Niner. And I would be in much remorse not to love her eternally. I would treat her as my queen, such a special human being. Got a soul that I'm gonna give her all I can. That's what she needs to be. To have and to hold, making through the strife. Never gets old because she's my future wife.
Cute cry, cute.
Speak loud. With all my heart, I promise to take you. And forever love you. Priscilla, sing this attention. Will you do me the honor and the privilege? Give me my life. On behalf of our families, I'd like to thank everybody for coming. This was pretty hard to hide it from this one.
Hey, at least you didn't look like you did earlier.
From the bottom of our hearts, I'd like to say thank you. We love each and every one of you. And
Let's get going.
get ready for the invitation for the wedding. Thank you. I love you all.
I
about him. He did a good job now.
Hey, you know when you first got here earlier, I was in the bathroom. What? When you first got here earlier, I was in the bathroom. I was walking out like,
Why did you put it on?
Because I have to send it back to Hawaii.
Oh, why? Too small for you? Too small?
Because they were going to do it in Hawaii, but it was 6 too long before I came home.
Did you put anything on her finger?
I tried to this way.
Alright, let's take our picture with you. Oh my beach! I fucking love this. At least you don't have basketball shorts.
Watch out, man. Oh, man.
Hey, Beach! Come take a picture with us real fast, friend. Hey, Hoochie! Rhoda! Hey, Jazz! I know. 1, 2, 3. I knew it. Who cares about? That was the second one. Told him. Taking selfies. That was bad.
awkward moment, right? Ready?
Wait, Beach. We told him we're gonna bring you clothes. Wait, you see the shirt I'm wearing, by the way? I'm gonna go around and get messages. Hey, guys!
How are you? Long time no see.
I know you have a message.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. Shout out to my boy Hiram, Priscilla. Congratulations on the engagement. And I'm happy for you. And done with the street league. And I'll have more good stuff to say later.
Thank you. Hey guys, you guys have a message?
About time.
I know, I was like,
But I love you guys. Congrats, many blessings, and y'all niggas know I got a gang of kids. I got to be in the line. So, but I love you guys, and congrats.
hey Hoochie, you got a message?
I love you guys. Congratulations.
You guys got a message? You guys got a couple message? Hey man. You got a message? Message? No.
Yeah, I got one.
Hey Booty, got a message?
Please, Bob. I don't
Booty, got a message? Who you bitch? Got a message? Yay! That's all I gotta say. Hey guys, you got a message? You got a message for Priscilla and Hiram?
Congratulations. I love you, right? And yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, to my Uso Hiram, you come a long way, bro. Being here with you. Silla, don't let things change. It's nothing. It's nothing. We can go play softball.
Thank you.
How you doing?
Good. You have a message?
Love you guys. Hope the best for you guys. You guys even surprised me. Much love to you guys, and have a bright, beautiful
Just let us know the date, please. A little in advance.
Love each other. And you're number one for each other from now on. We love you.
Thank you. Oh, we have people leaving. Huh?
Where's Fatty?
She's walking around. Why?
Oh, that's cool. She has the ring.
Oh. Hey, Nina, you got a message? Hey, all you in the line, stop being late. And I'll be late next time. Okay, love you. Hey, you got a message?
What?
You got a message?
Congratulations. Yeah, you know, yeah.
You got a message?
Congratulations. I love you guys. Wish y'all the best. You're looking awesome.
Thank you. Hey, lovers, you have a message? We love you. Welcome to our family, Scylla. Thank you. Hey, you guys have a message? He's drunk. You have a message? Hey guys, you have a message?
Yeah, we love you guys.
You have a what?
A message.
Oh, congratulations. We love you guys. Thank you. You guys have a message? Congrats! Congrats! We love you! What? Check the bathroom?
No, go check the bathroom.
Hey, is my sister in here? I don't think so. There's nobody in there. Oh, okay.
Wait, is the bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.